Hello, my name is David Chamberlin, and I recently had my 2 bathrooms remodeled by Home Love Construction. I learned about them through an online review in which it looked like they had some pretty positive reviews, so I reached out to Wes, and he was the one that came out initially. We communicated by phone, by text. He checked in with me periodically to see how things were coming along and if I had any issues. Yeah, all of the contractors that they used, I thought, a very good job. They were respectful of the property and taking care of things and getting them cleaned up. They always made sure that we had the bathrooms available and we were able to continue living in our home during that time. It's actually, I think, exceeded where I originally envisioned. I was very pleased with how things came out. I would recommend Home Love to anyone that's looking at doing some remodeling.